It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping. If you need to buy more than a single item from a store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and you are finding it difficult to go about it, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can simply buy more than one item from a store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, whether on 1688 or Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more China importation business with 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to buy more than one item from a store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then, having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for the product that you want to buy from a particular store. So there are so many ways to do that. One of the first way is to simply come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result from the site. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload the product picture, and this is also known as image search. However, you can simply scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up in your search feed right here on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So once you are able to see a particular store that you want to buy from, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the product link. Let's, for instance, I'm going to buy from this particular store right here. What I'm going to do is to click on the product link. So after click on the product link, allow it to load up, and it's going to take you right here. First thing before you add the product to cart, make sure you click on here. I'm going to click on it. Then having clicked on that, simply click on here to proceed. Then here, choose the color you want. So I want this particular color here with 800 grams. So the next thing I'm going to do is to choose the grams right here, and the color is going to change. So I'm going to simply choose this one right here, 800 grams. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then the product has been successfully added to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then from my profile, I need to simply click on here now. Then right here, I have the two products right there that have been successfully added to cart from the same store, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to select the product. And I'm going to simply click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. So from the checkout right here, make sure you add your delivery address. And just like what you see right here, this is the first color and this is the second color from a single store. Next thing we want to do is to come down below right here and choose our means of payment. There are so many ways by which you can make payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to use your WeChat or invite friends to pay for you, or use your MasterCard or Visa card. Another option for pay for me. And last option here is your Alipay. This is about 5 different payment option you have right here in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So as for me, I'm going to pay with my Alipay right here. I'm going to simply click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. After a successful connect of Alipay, enter your payment password. Then payment successful, just like what you see right here. Then you can click on done right here. So I'm going to simply click on done. And this is going to pump up. I'm going to click on here to close this pump up right here. Then I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's that simple. So this is the first one and this is the second one from the same store, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So this is how to simply place order, or how you can order for more than one item on a same store, step-by-step guide tutorial. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about importation business from China, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.